For our lesson for today, we will be discussing about finding the area of a circle. So in solving for the area of a circle, the formula for finding it is A is equal to pi times r squared, or it can also be written as area is equal to pi times r times r. Remember that the value of pi that we use in solving for the area of the circle is 3.14, and it is measured using square units, which is our area. So let us try this example given. Find the area of the circle with a radius of 8 inches. So we simply substitute the radius into the formula to find its area. Again, the formula given is area equals pi r squared. We substitute the value of pi, which is 3.14. We substitute the value of r, which is 8 inches. And then it will now become a equals 3.14 times parenthesis 8 inches squared. So we get first the value of 8 inches squared, that is 64 inches squared. After that, we can now multiply 64 inches squared by 3.14. Therefore, the area of a circle whose radius is 8 inches is 200.96 square inches. Next, what is the area of a circle with the diameter of 5 meters? Take note that the given here is a diameter which is 5 meters. So since the diameter is 2 times the radius, let us first find its radius. So to get the radius given a diameter, we follow the formula r, or radius, equals d, or diameter, divided by 2. So that will be radius equals 5 over 2. So therefore the value of our r, or radius, is 2.5 meters. After that, the radius of the circle now that we computed a while ago is 2.5 meters. We can now substitute its value in our formula area equals pi r squared. So we have 3.14 times 2.5 meter square. 2.5 meter square is 6.25 meter square. So we can now multiply it. So 3.14 times 6.25, the area is 19.625 meter square. A dinner plate is circular in shape and has a radius of 6.5 centimeters. What is the area? The radius of the dinner plate is 6.5 centimeters, so we then use this radius to solve for the area of the circle. From the formula A equals pi r squared, we simply substitute the value 3.14 and 6.25 centimeter for the radius. So 6.25 centimeter square is 42.25 centimeter square. Multiplied by 3.14, the area of the dinner plate, whose radius is 6.5 centimeter, is 132.665 square centimeter. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters. So again, we just simply substitute the value of each given. So pi is 3.14, r, or radius, is 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeters square is 9 centimeters square. Multiplied by 3.14, the area is 28.26 square centimeter. Next, if a circle has a diameter of 14 meters, what is its area? Take note that the given here is a diameter, so we need to look for the radius first. Remember that the radius is half the diameter. So 14 meters divided by 2 is 7 meters. So therefore, we can now solve for the area using the formula A equals pi r squared. So pi is 3.14, r is 7 meters, 7 meters times 7 meters. We now have 49 meters squared multiplied by 3.14. The area is 153.86 meter square. For the last one, Joanne and her family are eating their lunch. If one of their dinner plates in circular form has a diameter of 8 centimeter, what is the area of the plate? Remember, again, the given here is the diameter, so we need to look for the radius. So 8 centimeter, we just get the half of this, so the radius now is 4 centimeter. Substitute the value from the formula A equals pi r squared, so r here is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter times 4 centimeter, we now have 16 centimeter square. Multiply by 3.14, the area of the dinner plate is 50.24 square centimeter.